Welcome back to 4K Tech. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean your bathroom fan. You probably should do this more often than you think. There's a lot of fires that start and homes that burn down because people don't realize that eventually this lint in there causes a fire. So I'm going to show you how to clean it. You just pull straight down, and then inside you just squeeze these two rods here and it comes down like this. And then what you want to do is take your vacuum and vacuum as much as you can in there. And when it's really dirty and you can't really vacuum any of that, just throw it underneath the sink here and wash it out. And that's how you clean your ceiling vent. Hope this helps. Thanks for viewing.